guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to study this lesson, The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov. So please understand this very carefully, and without wasting much time, let's get started. Margie writes her diary. Margie even wrote about the book in her diary. Means when Tommy found a real book, then Margie written that in her diary on the page headed 17th May 2157. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." Means that time real book was not there. They used to read telebooks. We will come further discussion about telebooks. So that time there was the telebook. That's why they don't know about real book. So when when Tommy found that real book, that time Margie had written in her diary that Tommy had found a real book. The real book was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, when Margie was a little boy, when grandfather was a little boy, means when Margie's grandfather was a little boy, his grandfather told him about a time. He means when his grandfather was a little boy. He told him about that diary, about that book. That means whose book was that? That book was Margie's great grandfather, means grandfather's grandfather. So Margie's grandfather's book that was, and Tommy found it in the attics of their house. So you will understand what is attic. Okay, next come to telebooks. Tommy called it a waste. Tommy called which thing a waste? That is, Tommy called that real book a waste. Why? That is only I'm going to say you. When they read the book, they threw it away. Their television screen must have been very big to have many books. It was still good for many more books. It was same for Margie, though she had not seen many telebooks. Okay, this means Tommy called it a waste. When they read the book, they threw it away. Their television screen must have been very big to have many books. Means television screen, we all know that television used to be very big, so it can consist of many books. That's why it was still good for many more books. This line only said here. Okay, it was same for Margie. It was same for Margie, though she had not seen many telebooks. Okay, as Margie is smaller than Tommy, that's why she didn't read many books. She had read only some books. Okay, next it is Margie hatred for school. Margie was 11 and Tommy was 13. That means Margie was smaller than Tommy. She asked him where he had found that book. Means Margie asked Tommy from where did you get this book? He replied that he found that in his house. She asked what it was all about. He replied that the book consists of what thing, what is this book? Actually they don't know about real book, so she was surprised. He replied that it was about school. Means the book was written about school. Margie exclaimed, "School? Means Margie exclaimed with sorrow that school. What was there to write about school as she hated that? What means what was there to write about school as she hated that? I think you all understand this line. Okay, next, why Margie hates school. She always hated school, but now she hated it more. Means Margie used to hate school, but now she used to hate it more. It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. Mechanical teacher means the teacher who used to make students understand through television, means telebook. Through telebooks Margie used to read that time. Okay, it was mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. Her mechanical teacher used to give her test after test in geography. She had been doing odds and votes. Means she was very raw in geography. At last her mother sent for the country inspector. Okay, so today I have up to this, means today 5 paras and next day 5 para. So today up to this, and if you cannot understand English, you can read this Hindi portion also. Same explanation is given here. So it was all my today's video. I'm coming soon with my part 2 video of this chapter. So for today, take care and bye bye.